You, you called for a plumber? Yes, I called you 30 minutes ago, I do believe. Say, you're pretty fast for a plumber. Well, that's what they call me, Fast Show Bob. Um, where's where's the issue? Well, to be frank with you, if I may, I do believe the issue is with my toilet. It won't stop running, as it seems. And, well, that's no good now, is it? You called me for a non-stopping toilet? Hey, genius. All you gotta do is jiggle the handle. Okay, well, that's 3,500. 3,500? Well, that's a kick in the old wallet now, isn't it? Hmm. I don't believe I shall be paying you. Well, if you don't want to pay me, then I guess I'll just break your toilet. Here I go. I'm gonna break your toilet. No, please. The hell? Oh, very well. Here's your 3,500, you barbarian. Whew. The hell? Well, I'd rather be a barbarian with 3,500 than a rich yuppie with a fucking broken toilet anytime. Well, I bid you a good day, sir. And don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you. Ain't no chance of that happening. Somebody call for a plumber. Oh man, not this again. Do 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 do. Ow.